Hi there, I'm Sylvia from Jura Australia and thank you for watching. In this video I'm going to take you through the E6 fully automatic coffee machine. The E6 is excellent for all the coffee lovers out there who love the occasional milk drink. It's really simple to use and very compact. It's simplicity at its finest without compromising the coffee quality. Buttons on the front of the machine and a modern TFT display helps you find exactly what you are looking for. A total of 11 different coffees can be produced all at the touch of a button, including Caffè Barista, Lungo Barista, Espresso Doppio and Macchiato. The new E6 is now fitted with a professional aroma grinder, which is more precise and twice as fast, yet preserves all the delicious aroma of the coffee beans. The pulse extraction process, PEP, ensures the optimum extraction time for short specialities such as espresso and ristretto. The brewing unit is the most important part of any automatic coffee machine. The Jura's E6 has created the 8th generation brewing unit with added holes to maximise water flow throughout the coffee grounds at multiple levels. On the new E6, you can now make a coffee using pre-ground coffee, simply by opening the lid and popping 2 scoops of your favourite pre-ground coffee into the chute. And this is where the cleaning tablet also gets placed to clean the brewing unit. To learn more about the cleaning and care and maintenance of your Jura coffee machine, please go to our video on care and maintenance. The water tank on the E6 is a medium size. It holds 1.9 litres of water and it has the beautiful corrugated look on the outside. The Claris Smart water filter will last 2 months or 50 to 60 litres depending on the water hardness. While using your Jura filter in the water tank means that you'll never ever have to descale your coffee machine again. But more important, you'll have better tasting coffee with no impurities. The new operating concept on the E6 is so easy to use. Come and I'll show you. If we go over to the little cogwheel on the side of the screen and press once, we will go into the menu, and in the menu you have a maintenance button and you have a setting button, and within those files you will be able to address all of your cleaning and your settings for the machine. If I go back and I press and hold, here I can organise my milk drinks to have an extra shot, or more important, I can choose pre-ground when I want to make a pre-ground coffee. To prepare my favourite drink, the Lungo Barista, I simply scroll through the screen by using my arrows, finding my favourite drink, Lungo Barista, pressing and holding. I've now activated the programming mode. I go to product setting. I can add more coffee. I can change the volume of coffee, water, and I can change the temperature. Let's go to high. My bypass water is the added water to accentuate the taste of the coffee. I'm going to decrease this to 50 mils actually. And now I can save the setting. And I'm now going back to the start screen and my Lungo Barista is ready to be made. And now let me make you that Lungo Barista. Simply press the button. So when I press the Lungo Barista function, we have to add the added water, and we do this by turning the dial when the machine asks us to. We top it up with water so that it gives us a smooth, true Lungo Barista cafe style coffee. Jura's practical small cup warmer is the ideal partner to any automatic coffee machine. The Cup Warmer S keeps the cups inside consistently at a temperature of around 55 degrees. And how good does that Lungo Barista Look, that gorgeous crema on top. The heat is perfect and the added water gives it that extra sweetness in the cup. I'm going to give it a taste. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. And as I said, perfect temperature. Now the E6 can also make milk drinks. So remember, at the end of each day, you will need to perform a milk system clean. And to learn how to do this, go to our other videos on care and maintenance and you'll know all about it. And thanks for watching the E6 video. To learn more about other Jura automatic coffee machines, please visit our website. If you enjoyed this video, press like, subscribe, and if you want to hear about up and coming episodes, please hit the bell. Thank you for watching. Bye.